Hello and welcome back. I have been watching a lot of makeup therapy videos lately, so I decided to film one myself. I personally find outside noise very calming, so I decided to incorporate that in this video and do my makeup today with the window open. I hope that this is a video that can help you relax, or maybe you can grab your own makeup and get ready with me. I have been having a lot of thoughts recently, so I just want to talk about it while doing this fresh summer look. In this video, I used a couple of products that were gifted by Stylevana, which is a Korean skincare, makeup, and clothing website. I will leave down more info in the description box with links to the products. The serum I used had a thick, slimy consistency, and this is an anti-aging serum that brightens and lifts your skin. This is my first time using this, so I haven't seen any effects on my skin, but these days I have been into brightening skincare products, so I will be incorporating this into my skincare routine. I used this sleeping mask instead of a cream, and this is a watery cream type mask, which feels really similar to the cream that I usually use. I applied a whitening cream, but after using this product today, I realized this makes my foundation look cakier than if I didn't use this product. I actually bought this because I saw a YouTuber use this, but I know that not every product works well on everyone. Or maybe it's how I applied it, I don't know, but it just didn't work for me. So that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys like this style of video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!